Next topic, calculation of gaining ratio under fourth chapter, retiring of a partners or death of a partners. See the first question. Here it is 13th. 13 is there. It is not 13. First question. Okay. Amit, Dinesh and Gagan are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 5:3:2. Their old profit sharing ratio 5:3:2. Dinesh retires, one partner retired. Amit and Gagan, they are the remaining partners. Okay, Amit and Gagan. First three partners are there. In that one partner retired, now two partners remained, Amit and Gagan, and they decided to share their profit of the new firm in the ratio of 3:2. So the remaining partners decided to share their profit of the firm in their 3:2. That is a new ratio. Calculate the gaining ratio of Amit and Gagan. That means in this problem, old ratio provided. Old ratio 5:3:2, and the new ratio, remaining partners, new ratio provided 3:2. So two informations provided, so that using formula directly we can calculate gaining ratio or gaining share. Share gained is equal to new share minus old share. That is a formula. Okay, make note of this formula. For one mark or 2 marks question also asked, what is the formula of gain share or gain ratio? So at that time you have to write this. Gaining share is equal to new share minus old share. And write down the informations provided. Old ratio of Amit, Dinesh and Gagan 5:3:2, or 5/10:3/10:2/10. So 5 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 10. That's why 5/10:3/10:2/10. And next, new ratio of Amit and Gagan 3:2. That is also provided in problem itself, or 3/5:2/5. Now you apply directly formula. Share gained by Amit, the remaining partner. Amit first. New share 3/5. Old share 5/10. So 3/5 minus 5/10. So common denominator 10. 5 ಮತ್ತೆ 10 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗುವಂಥದ್ದು 10 ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 10 is a common denominator. So 5, how many is a 10? 5 2s are. So 3 into ಈ 3ಗೆ 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 3 into 2 6 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ 6 minus 10 ones are 10. So as it is, write down 5. So 6 minus 5, 1/10. Finally, the answer, share gained by Amit is 1/10. Next, share gained by Gagan. Share gained by Gagan. 2/5 is the old share of Gagan, and 2/10 is a new share of Gagan. So common denominator 10. So 5, how many is that 10? 5 2s are. So for this 2, first 2 ಗೆ 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 4 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 4 minus 2, that is 2/10. So the share gained by Gagan 2/10. The next, finally, now you have answer. The gaining ratio of Amit and Gagan 1/10 is to 2/10, or 1:2 is a ratio. Next, second problem. Ankit, Suchit and Chandru are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 4:3:2. Ankit retires from the firm. So here Ankit retires from the firm. Who are the remaining partner? Suchit and Chandru are agreed to share the ratio of 5:3 in a future. So the remaining partner decided to share the profit of a firm in the ratio 5:3. Calculate gaining ratio. In this problem also, old ratio provided and new ratio provided. So directly you can apply the formula. gaining share is equal to new share minus old share. First one. And then write down the informations provided in the problem. Old ratio of Ankit, Suchit and Chandru. 4:3:2 or 4/9:3/9:2/9. So this 9 means 4 plus 3 plus 2 total. Okay. Next, the new ratio of Suchit and Chandru also provided in problem. 5:3 or 5/8:3/8. 8 means 5 plus 3. So now you apply formula. Ankit's gain, new share 5/8 minus old share 3/9. So is equal to common denominators. Directly multiplied here. So the common denominator for 8 and 9 is 72. Okay, 72. So 8 how many is a 72? 8 9s are 72. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ 5ಗೆ 9 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 9 ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಇಸ್ 72? 9 8s. ಸೊ ಈ 3ಗೆ 8 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 5 ಇಂಟು 9 45 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಇಂಟು 8 24 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 45 minus 24 is equal to 21 divided by 72. Okay. Next, Chandru's gain 3/8, new share 3/8, and then old share 2/9. So common denominator 72. Next, 8 how many is 72? 8 9s. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ 3ಗೆ 9 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 9 ಇಂಟು 3 27 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ 9 ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಇಸ್ 72? 9 8s. ಸೊ ಈ 2ಗೆ 8 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 8 ಇಂಟು 2 16 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ 20 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 27 minus 16 11/72. So these are the gain share of a remaining partners. Now you have the information. Write down gaining ratio of Suchit and Chandru. 21 divided by 72 is to 11 divided by 72, or 21 is to 11. Next, third question. Don't write 16. It is a third. Next problem. Vani, Rani and Soni. Third one. Okay, don't write 16. Third one. Vani, Rani and Soni are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 4:3:2. Soni retires from the firm. Vani and Rani agreed to share equally in future. So the remaining partners, Vani and Rani, they agreed to share their profit equally, means 1:1. Okay, new profit sharing ratio 1:1. Calculate gaining ratio of Vani and Rani. So here also directly informations provided, old ratio as well as new ratio. That means formula share gained is equal to new share minus old share. Next, write down the informations provided in the problems. Old ratio of Vani, Rani and Soni 4:3 is to 2. 4:3:2, or 4/9:3/9:2/9. 9 means 4 plus 3 plus 2. So Soni retires. Next, the new ratio of Vani and Rani 1:1, or 1/2:1/2. Next, Vani's gain, new share 1/2 and old share of Vani 4/9. 4/9. So the common denominator 18. 2 ಮತ್ತು 9ಗೆ common denominator 18 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So 2 how many is 18? 2 9s 18. So ಈ 1ಗೆ 9 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 9 how many is 18? 9 2s. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ 4ಗೆ 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 1 ಇಂಟು 9 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 4 ಇಂಟು 2 8 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 9 minus 8. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ 1 is gain how much? 1/18. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಾಣಿ's gain. ರಾಣಿ's ನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರ್ 1/2 ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಶೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಣಿ 3/9. ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 18. 2 9s are 18. ಹಾಗೆ 1 ಇಂಟು 9 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 9 2s are 18. ಸೊ 3 ಇಂಟು 2 6 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ 3/18 Rani's gain. So gain ratio of Vani and Rani 1/18 is to 3/18 or 1 is to 3.